dealerships will charge you hundreds of dollars to program a replacement key fob, but for most vehicles, you can bypass the mechanic entirely and program it yourself in under 60 seconds. Here is the universal sequence. Step 1. Sit in the driver's seat with all doors closed. Insert your working key into the ignition and turn it from the off position to the on-run position exactly 4 to 8 times within 10 seconds. Your car's electronic system will chime or click the door locks to signal it has entered internal programming mode. Step 2. Within 3 seconds of hearing the lock click, grab your new replacement fob. Press and hold the lock, or unlock, button for 2 full seconds. The door locks will click again, confirming the car's computer has successfully paired with the new wireless transponder chip. Step 3. Turn the ignition completely off and remove your key to exit programming mode. Test the new fob buttons to verify the security sync. Your search ends here.